Oh, we're live? We're live! Greetings, people of YouTube land. This is Andy, aka Witchfire65, and once again we are doing another lesson on Transformers Animated. As always, you will need your textbook, the Transformers Animated, the Allspark Almanac. So today is, well, the lesson now, here we go, is on this guy. Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet. And vehicle mode, yeah, supposed to be some sort of futuristic ambulance. Honestly, looking at it, I don't see it. The only thing that really gives it away is this symbol here and the lights. Other than that, I don't see it, you know. Yeah, well, perhaps the colours as well, red and white, or was it red and dirty white? But in all honesty, I can't see this vehicle as an ambulance. I mean, you've got the clear translucent screen there. You can see imprints. Well, I hope you can. You can see imprints of seats, molded seats. Wheels, they're all pretty good, I guess. Overall, this really isn't that good a mode, truth be told. In fact, it kind of sucks, really. I know I said all the Transformers Animated are worth getting, and Ratchet is worth getting. It's just you're better off keeping him in robot mode, because that ambulance mode just quite frankly sucks. Ah well. Anywho, onto the biog. So you, as always, you will need your textbook, and you will need to turn to page 20, 21 and 22. So here is page 20. There is page 21, and here is page 22. This book is well worth getting, trust me on that. So, to the biog, and as being mentioned before, but I mention once again, Ratchet's biog is written by another character, and in this case it is Lockdown, the Decepticon bounty hunter. Anywho, here we go. Can't say I'm much of a fan of those leaky manifold autobots, but old Buckethead here is a force to be reckoned with. Oh, don't let the son of a gun fool you. He's more than a grumpy old tinkerer. There's quite a pair of fuzzy dice on this one. Back in the day, Grandpa here fought in the Great War. He was apparently responsible for saving a bunch of bots, only to have them marched back to the front line, or maybe I should say offline. Anyway, our paths crossed round that time. After that, he was never quite the same. See, I'm the guy that made Oldie here so pretty. So he put himself out to pasture and ended up in deep space. Imagine that. A Proto-Hex medical mechanic graduated fiction. Imagine that. A Proto-Hex medical mechanic graduate fixing space bridges. Still, I can't fault cool hand Lube's courage. I've seen him risk everything for his comrade. If you're planning to go up against the old crankshaft, here's what you need to know. He recently reacquired an EMP generator that can put just about anyone into stasis, though he doesn't always carry it on his person. He's also got a dandy little magnetic manipulator device that he uses to surprising effect. There's a whole passel there's a whole passel of other medical tools that I'm less interested in, but given enough time, he can use them to fix just about anything. One of these cycles, not long from now, he'll be running into me again, and then I'll be the one with an EMP and magnetic manipulators. Ooh dear. Sounds like lockdown's got it in for him, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, really not a good vehicle made. It's got that awful wall spark blue, but not much. That's only that side. Yeah, headlights are painted yellow. And it's got an imprint of sort of one of those grapple toe things there, which you can pull people out of. I'm not sure what it's called. Can someone tell me that? Tell me what it is. Anyway, yeah. In the bio, he mentioned his medical equipment, and the figure actually comes with some accessories. There you go. So we got a sort of Phillips, screwdriver, spanner, a hammer stroke chisel, and some sort of hooky thing. What's he got to try and do? Open his patients up like a can. You go. Yeah. Can't store him in. Fuck me. You can't store him in vehicle mode, but he can be stored in robot mode. Right. Anywho, I am Andy, aka Witchfire65. This is Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet, and we are outies.